Okay, gentlemen, we went over the rules. I want a good, clean fight.
Dito nagwawakas ang napakalayong paglalakbay ni Brian Viloria at Omar Nino Romero sa kanilang mapait na magkaribal sa larangan po, of course, ng boxing. Yan po ang kanilang edad. Of course, si Brian Viloria enjoying 4 years ng kanya pong junior sa kanyang kabataan kontra dito kay Omar Nino Romero. At matangkad ng bahagya si Brian kontra dito kay Omar Nino Romero. Hits yung kanyang dalawang gloves, so nadagukan siya ni Brian Viloria sa opening bell itong bout scheduled for 12. But gusto yata rito pukpukan agad Kinito. Yun ang tema itong first round natin na ito.
Walang sabi nga sa atin ni Brian Viloria, no, nung dalawang laban nila, parang hindi niya na ipakita ang kanyang 100%.
Ganda ng job ni Brian.
Sabi niya, he has to dictate kung paano takbo ng laban nato.
And Omar Nino Romero is fighting off ring rust, yung kanyang inactivity nitong nakalipas sa 2 taon. May do him in, pero ang isang boksingero na merong gustong patunayan, walang kalakalawang kung pag-uusapan.
Ito yung sinasabi natin na respeto na hinahanap ni Omar Nino Romero bilang isang dating 2-time world champion. Last February, he made a comeback after a 15-month layoff. Pero was that enough to prepare him for this fight?
Unang laban ni Brian Viloria at saka ni Omar Nino Romero 2006 September. Naganap po yan sa Las Vegas. Doon sa napakainit na lugar. Naalala ko, may kasama ko doon. Pangalan, Kinito Henson yata eh. Dalawa kaming nanood. Pareho kaming umuwi na malungkot doon. And Brian Viloria was batting a lot of things. No? Maraming masyadong distractions. And in that fight, I think he threw a measly 4 or 7 jabs doon sa buong laban na yun 2006 kontra kay Omar Nino Romero. At wala, nanood lang siya ng nanood habang ginugulpi siya itong si Omar Nino Romero. Not really in trouble na babagsak, pero masyadong marami siyang sinambot dito. He's dictating yung tempo using his jab, using his left. Makita nyo kanina, humok kanina itong si Brian Viloria, just trying to establish early yung kanyang fight plan kontra kay Omar Nino Romero.
Well, make no mistake about it, mahirap na kalaban ito si Omar Nino Romero. He's a counter-puncher. Parang Juan Manuel Marquez din ito. Parang nemesis ni Brian Viloria. 2 beses na silang lumaban. Viloria has not been able to beat him. At eto na, ang sabi ni Brian, ipapakita niya ang lahat. He's going to give his 100%. At sabi nga natin kanina, no, doon sa ating Dean's List, no, he needs a two-fisted combination attack. Volume punching ang kailangan dito ni Brian Viloria because he cannot afford to have Omar Nino Romero set the pace.
Brian trying to go for the body as Nino came in. At dito makikita mo, no, although hindi ko nakita kanina Kinito yung disparity kung meron man ito sa reach advantage. Parang mas mahaba ang although mas matangkad si Brian, parang mas mahaba yung mga kamay itong si Omar Nino Romero kay Brian Viloria.
Parang ang ganun. Looks like he has a reach advantage at he's making good use of it because gumagamit siya ng left jab and that's been able to dictate the pace so far. No, hindi makapasok si Brian Viloria kasi palagi nandoon yung left jab ni Omar Nino Romero. Nasabi natin mahirap na kalaban.
End of round number 1. We'll take a quick break.
Sunod-sunod ang thrill sa maaksyong laban ng lahi presents Island Assault 4 kasama ang Romox Steel.
After years of breeding and fighting game fowl, I've learned to be very meticulous. Unhealthy whiskers have no chance in the pit. To stay on top, one must choose and use the best. Try Romox Steel.
Ang Romox Steel ay may amoxicillin at tylosin. Sa Romox Steel, tatayo ang manok mo.
It's good.